Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to receive this opportunity to deliver to you the message from the Alliance of Renault, Nissan, and Mitsubishi. Now, I'd like to explain the Alliance technology development for the future mobility. First, I'd like to briefly touch on the roadmap of technology development. Secondly, Alliance approach for the creation of innovation. And thirdly, our activities in Tel Aviv. Next page, please. The context of Alliance challenge in the transformation of the industry in three aspects. The first aspect is that we have to be ready for the disruptive technologies. Thanks to disruptive technologies, we can be in the front of the huge opportunity. For example, if autonomous driving is realized, not only reducing the number of traffic accidents, but the way how customers use the vehicle and how the city is built and how business model associated with the sales of the automobiles will be completely different. Second aspect is the alliance synergy. Each member company, Renault, Nissan, and the Mitsubishi, made its own midterm plan in 2017. And in order to maximize the synergy of all member companies, we created a midterm plan named Alliance 2022, in which we defined the common activities, including technology development. The third aspect is to take advantage of our scale merit. In addition to the sales and production volume, we can combine the resources of three companies to tackle against the huge technology investment to come. Next page, please. As part of the Alliance 2022, we defined 6 technical areas. 3 technical areas, autonomous driving, connected car, and electric vehicles are strategic areas. I will touch on the roadmap of these 3 technology areas. As for platform and powertrain, since investment is huge, we have a steady plan to increase the commonality of the usage among the 3 companies. Thanks to the combination of technologies like autonomous driving, connected car, and electric vehicle, we are also studying the mobility service as the alliance. We have a clear roadmap to achieve the milestone of these 6 boxes. Next page, please. Autonomous driving. We will launch more than 40 models by 2022. And also, we define the technology roadmap moving from highly autonomous drive, or level 2 to level 3 and level 4, finally, called full autonomous drive. So what's the latest technology? Last month, we have announced that we will introduce the 2nd generation of autonomous drive system, starting from Japan. The system utilizes a high-definition map and lots of sensors and artificial intelligence, so that once you input the destination, the vehicle will automatically select the routing and lanes to take, as long as it's on the highway. And also, hands-off driving is possible within the lane up to the speed limit. Next page, please. As for connected car, we will expand the connectivity to more than 90% by 2022. And we will commonize the major components in the connectivity system, including onboard devices, such as Alliance infotainment device, or dongle for the low-cost segment of the market. And we will commonize what we call Alliance Connectivity Cloud, so that we can commonize the platform and the development of the software to be downloaded or uploaded between vehicle and the cloud. Next page, please. Electric vehicle. We will launch 12 new models by 2022. In order to take the advantage of the potential of electric vehicle, we will introduce a dedicated platform for electric vehicle so that customers can enjoy more spacious cabin and better styling. And this platform is compatible with the advanced system like autonomous driving and connectivity technologies. And of course, we don't forget about the improvement of the basic performance, such as range of autonomy, and we are targeting 600 kilometers of autonomy. and also charging time. In 15 minutes, we should be able to achieve the extension of 230 kilometers. And these numbers are for mass-produced EVs, not for the high-end. Next page, please. So what is the approach of the Alliance toward the creation of innovation? As the Alliance, we have about 30 R&D centers globally, but the majority of the centers are for the product development phase. And we have now 3 Alliance Innovation Centers globally, one in Silicon Valley, US, one in Tel Aviv, Israel, and one in Shanghai, in China. The mission of those innovation centers is to work on innovation and research and advanced engineering phase. Next page, please. So what's our approach to innovation? There are 4 points. One is partnership. We heavily rely on partnership, particularly in those 3 priority technical areas, and we'd like to expand co-innovation with the startups, universities, communities, and other corporations. The second aspect is prototyping platform. We install the capability in each region to make a quick proof of concept and prototyping the vehicle to make sure that the technology has a good potential to go to the next step. And the third point is Alliance Ventures. The Alliance has a venture capital. The total budget in 5 years is $1 billion, and this is one of the options to work with startups. The fourth point is R&D experts. Since each innovation center cannot have all the expertise we need, these activities in local innovation labs are connected to global network of the experts. Next page, please. So how about our activities in Tel Aviv? The mission of Tel Aviv's Innovation Lab is to scout technologies and conduct proof of concept activities locally. We have 3 priority areas. One is sensors or sensing technology, particularly for autonomous driving, because we feel that we don't have a good sensor yet in the industry. Second is cybersecurity. As you can see, we have more and more connectivity. Cybersecurity will be the essential point to proceed in this connected world. Third point is big data. We will have more and more data coming from the vehicle, and how to control the quality of the vehicle, how to manage the traffic, and how to find a better business chance. All depends on the utilization of big data. So these are 3 priority areas we worked on in Tel Aviv. But of course, we are also interested in other type of technologies. But these are simply a priority for the time being. Next page, please. So what's unique about our innovation center in Tel Aviv? There are 3 pillars of uniqueness. From the left, we have a local partnership. Government supports us very strongly, and we are part of the Innovation Labs program of Israel Innovation Authority. We are the only automotive OEM who is registered in this program. And we work very closely with the municipality. We have just opened a new facility in Tel Aviv, more particularly at the Park, Tel Aviv. And we are also part of this city zone, again, the only automotive OEM in that program. And this is initiated by Tel Aviv municipality, Tel Aviv University, and at the Park, Tel Aviv. And of course, we are trying to build a strong connection with local players like our Carosso Motors, Renault and Nissan, Infiniti and Dacia's importer and dealer network, and Maniv Mobility as a funding partner, and startups, universities, communities, and other corporations. Second pillar is a unique platform. We have just opened new facility. We had an opening ceremony yesterday in the building, and we installed some area to prototype test vehicles as well as space to welcome startup companies to work together in that facility. Third pillar is scale of the alliance. One of the merit of the alliance is that we are one of the biggest automotive groups, and we have lots of exit. We have more than 10 millions of vehicles of production every year, and we are operating a business in about 200 countries globally. So we will be able to connect the output of this innovation lab to the products and services that Alliance is deploying. And also we have Alliance Ventures, which I mentioned a little bit earlier. And by collaborating with the startups, we could come to a conclusion that we should make an investment. In that case, Alliance Ventures will be playing the important role for this investment aspect of the collaboration. Next page, please. Now I'd like to conclude my presentation with a video message. Thank you very much for your attention.